Hi, my name is Vandita. I'm here today to talk about staining versus non-staining colors. I have taken 3 of Daniel Smith colors, burnt sienna light, pyrrole orange and phthalo blue, and I am swatching them below. Once these swatches dry, I will take my brush and try to lift the colors. If the colors lift easily and I can see the paper, it is a non-staining color, while if it does not lift, it is a staining color. So here burnt sienna light is a non-staining color while others are slightly staining. Now that you have seen how staining and non-staining paints work, so when to use what? So you use staining paints when you're building up layers. So you don't want the layers below to lift. Use non-staining paints when you are using a technique where you may want to lift a highlight. I hope it helps. Happy painting!